Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing topic. Whether you're in retail, hospitality, or online support, empathy can completely transform how you connect with your customers. It's about stepping into their shoes, understanding their feelings, and responding in a way that shows you genuinely care. Let's explore how understanding their feelings can elevate your service from good to unforgettable. So what does it really mean to listen with empathy? It's about going beyond just hearing the words someone is saying. It's about tuning into their tone of voice. Is it laced with frustration? Do you hear a tremor of anxiety? Pay attention to their body language too. Are their shoulders slumped? Are they avoiding eye contact? These nonverbal cues speak volumes, and sometimes the most important messages are the ones left unspoken. Think about a time when you were upset about something. Did you come right out and say it directly, or were there hints in your tone and demeanor? That's what I mean by listening actively. It's about picking up on all those subtle signals that tell you how someone is truly feeling. Now I know what you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot to process, especially when you're dealing with a queue of customers or a flood of emails. But trust me, even small gestures of active listening can make a huge difference. Imagine you're helping a customer who's clearly frustrated. Instead of just jumping into problem-solving mode, take a moment to acknowledge their frustration. Say something like, "I hear the concern in your voice, and I understand this is frustrating for you. Let's see how we can get this sorted out." See the difference? By acknowledging their feelings, you immediately create a connection, letting them know you're not just a robot following a script. You're a human being who genuinely cares about their experience. Remember, active listening is about being present in the moment, paying attention to all the cues, and letting your customer know that their feelings matter to you. It's the foundation upon which genuine empathy is built. Now that you're listening actively and tuning into your customer's emotions, the next step is to acknowledge those feelings. This means explicitly stating that you understand and validate how they're feeling. Think of it this way: when someone shares their feelings with you, they're essentially handing you a fragile object. If you dismiss or minimize those feelings, it's like you're dropping that fragile object, leaving them feeling unheard and unimportant. But when you acknowledge their feelings, it's like you're gently taking that fragile object and holding it with care. You're showing them that you see them, you hear them, and you value their experience. So, how do you actually acknowledge feelings? It's simpler than you might think. Phrases like, "I understand this is frustrating," or "I can see why you're concerned," can work wonders. Even if you don't fully agree with their perspective, you can still validate their feelings. Instead of saying, "You shouldn't be upset about that," try something like, "I hear that you're upset, and I want to help figure this out." Remember, the goal here isn't to necessarily agree with their feelings, but to simply acknowledge that those feelings are real and valid. This simple act of validation can instantly disarm a tense situation and build rapport with your customer. When you acknowledge someone's feelings, you're telling them, "It's okay to feel this way." You create a safe space for them to express themselves openly, which is crucial for building trust and resolving the issue at hand. Now that you're listening actively and acknowledging your customer's feelings, it's time to put empathy into action by offering personalized solutions. This means tailoring your response to their specific situation and needs, rather than relying on generic scripts or responses. Think about it. Have you ever been on the receiving end of customer service where you felt like you were just another number? It's impersonal and leaves you feeling cold and unimportant. But when someone takes the time to truly understand your unique situation and offer a solution tailored just for you, it feels like a breath of fresh air. It makes you feel valued and respected. So how do you offer personalized solutions? First, ask clarifying questions to ensure you fully understand their needs. Don't interrupt, truly listen. Once you've got a handle on the situation, explain the solutions you can offer in a way that's easy for them to understand. For example, instead of just saying, "Our policy doesn't allow returns after 30 days, try saying, "I understand you're hoping to return this item. While our policy typically doesn't allow returns after 30 days, let me see if there's anything we can do in this situation. I want to explore every option for you." See the difference? The first response is cold and impersonal, while the second shows empathy and a willingness to go the extra mile. Remember, offering personalized solutions is about showing your customers that you see them as individuals with unique needs, not just transactions to be processed. It's about treating them the way you'd want to be treated, with care, respect, and a genuine desire to help. Now it's your turn. How do you bring empathy into your customer service? Share your experiences in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss tips on delivering service excellence. Also, check out my website at www.coachjunid.com for more resources, tools, and insights to help you master customer service.